Lucy is 9 months and 3 weeks old. This is March 19th. You can't get the flower, Lucy. No, no. No, no, Lulu. Show everybody how you can walk, little girl. Lucy, show everybody how you can walk. Come here and show us how you can walk. Can you show us what a big girl you are? Yes, you are. You're very big. Look at the girl walk. Oh, she's so big.
She's going to be walking.
Lucy's such a big girl. She's going to walk to the sit and spin. You going to sit and spin a minute? When you get through walking on the couch? Yeah, she needed to get the... Oh, Mom take her flowers away.